Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here with a new solution for a 2015 and up Ford Edge, the 99-5851. This kit is designed for a double-din and single-din install and is painted a charcoal gray. Now this is one of our TurboTouch kits, so it has our integrated touchscreen display for climate and personalization features. The 5851 retains R.A.P, steering wheel audio controls, sync, fade, balance, and factory backup cam, and provides accessory power, nav outputs, and is micro USB updatable. And to finalize this install, your wiring harness and antenna adapters are included. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.